In this question, we have to choose a value between -6 and -7. And then it says we're going to call this value P. I'm going to start by writing a number line on my paper. Okay, so here's -1, -6, and -7. So I'm looking for a value between these two. If I had a number like -7.1, that's too far to the left. If I have a number like 6.5, well, that's positive, so that's way over here. Way over here. And then if I had a value like -5.2, well, that's somewhere in here. So it's not between -6 and -7 because it's too far to the right. So I'm looking for a number like -6.8. -6.8 is close to -7, but it's in between. Okay, so it says call that point P, and I used -6.8. Alright, then it says what is the opposite of P? If P is -6.8, the opposite of P is +6.8. Then it says describe the location of P on the number line. Is P about 6 to 7 units to the left of 0 or to the right of 0? P is to the left. So we would say P is 6.8 units left of 0. What about the opposite of P? The opposite of P. Well, if the opposite is 6.8, the opposite of that is -6.8. So it's the same, or it's the original number, the original value.